Post-op, right shoulder, pectoralis major reconstruction. How old was the tear before we got to it?
2.5 years.
2.5 years old? Not too bad. Very
Yes.
good. So the main problem before surgery was there was a defect over here. What other symptoms did you have before surgery?
Weakness. No strength at all.
No strength. Okay, so tell me what you got now. Go ahead and, okay, good. So now we go over here. That is solid right there. That looks really good. Rock solid, right? And solid right there. That looks really good. Rock solid, right? And there's no there. That looks really good. Rock solid, right? And there's no defect here any longer. Lift your arms up. There's the incision right there, and you can see pec right here, going all the way to the attachment point. That's the incision right there. That looks really good. We go like this. You can see the sternal head going all the way up, and go ahead and go like this. I'll tighten them up like that. Good. Now, before when we did this, you'd see a defect here, but now there isn't. This is a chronic pectoralis major reconstruction using Achilles allograft that I doubled up to have multiple fixation points. Good. You feeling good so far?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Great. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome. Good. You feeling good so far?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Great. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome.